What I'm going to show you today is how you would disable certain keys on your Windows computer. This is basically used when you don't want your users to be able to do certain things like press the escape key, such as to close out a program, or to press the Windows key because you don't want them to access certain stuff on your computer. It's a really easy task, and I'm going to walk you through the process right now. First thing you're going to need to do is scroll over to chillaxin.com, where you would find the link to the 2003 Resource Kit tools. You can also find this on Google by simply typing Windows Server 2003 Resource Kit Tools into your Google toolbar. Once you go to the web page, it's going to take you to the Microsoft download page. This actually lists everything about this toolkit, which is going to be a bunch of different tools you can use. We're primarily only going to worry about the remap tool today. So the next step you have to do is download the program. This is going to take you to the download page where you just press Save File. It might take you a few minutes to download it because it's about 11 megabytes, but once it's downloaded, you simply go to the path where it downloaded to, and you're going to find a program called rktools.exe. Simply run that program. It might pop up a warning. If it does, simply press Run. And now you're just going to walk through the steps just like you would any other setup. Press Next. You got to agree to the terms of service. Next. Fill in the information. Next. Install now. This is going to take a few minutes while it installs the different things that you might need, but it shouldn't be that long. Should only be a few more seconds, so let's just bear with us. Alright, now that it's finished, you simply press Finish. Now what we need to do is load up the remap key program. So to do that, we press Start, Run, and you type remap key. Once that's typed, you simply press OK, and this will pop up the remap key application. As you see, you have two different virtual keyboards on this. Your top one will be the keyboard as it should look and as it normally runs. The bottom one will be what your remapped keyboard would be, or what you would want it to work with when you're done. What we did when we did this was we disabled certain keys such as Escape, the left Windows key, the right Windows key, F2, Alt, Control, Delete, because we didn't want people closing out the full screen applications that we had running. So I'm going to do the same thing. The easiest way to disable keys is to simply use the Shift key, because the Shift isn't really used for anything but bolding and capitalization, so it's an easy key to replace. So what you do is you click Shift, drag it down to Escape. Click Shift again, drag it down to Control. Press Shift, drag it down to F2, Shift, drag down to left Windows, Shift, drag it down to right Windows. If at any point you want to replace it, just again, right Windows you would drag down, and there. I'm going to do Shift on a few more just to make sure that it doesn't do anything that we don't want. And then once you're done, there's a few others that you would probably want to replace, but this is good for our example. Once you're done, you'll press the icon right below File. It's going to confirm that you want to do the changes. You simply press OK. The system has been changed. Do you want to reboot now? I'm going to press No, but all you got to do is reboot. Then once you do that, your keys will be now matched to the keyboard below. At any time, if you want to change back your keys, you go to Run again, remap keyboard, press OK, and you just simply put the keys as they were before, which I'm going to do right now really quickly. Again, when you're done, you press the icon below File, Yes, and it's going to save it. These changes are going to take effect only once you reboot, so once you're done, you should be good to go.